Okay, question 7. We need to find the equation of the straight line shown in the diagram and give the answer in the form y equals mx plus c. So you need to know the gradient and the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is easy enough to see because we can see it's 5 there. So that's just going to be plus 5. We then need to find the gradient, so we can pick two coordinates. Well, we've already got one here, so 0, 5 is going to be our first coordinate. And I'm going to pick 2, 10. So I'll label them up x1, y1, x2 and y2. So the gradient formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and that's not in the formula sheet. So it's 10 take 5 over 2 take 0. So that's just going to be 5 over 2. So that's our gradient. So it's going to be y equals 5 over 2x plus 5. Okay, next question, number 8. We've got a cos graph, and we've got to figure out the values for which cos x is equal to negative 0.5. Well, we can use a bit of symmetry to see when cos 60 is 0.5. Now that is 60 more than 0, or you can think of it as 30 less than 90. So 60 less than 360, or 30 more than 270, tells you that 300 there so cos of 300 would also be equal to 0.5. But it's not asking us for that, it's asking for negative 0.5. So there's a bit of symmetry there, so that would be 300. Now, we can see that is 30 less than 90. So if we go 30 more than 90 to here, we can see that 120, the cost of 120 is equal to negative 0.5. So cos 120 equals negative 0.5. And also if we do the same over here, that is 30 more than 270. So we go 30 less than 270. Well, 270 subtract 30 is 240. That's also negative 0.5. So cos 240 equals negative 0.5. The two values are for x equals 120 degrees and x equals 240 degrees. And lastly, for question 9, multiply the brackets and collect like terms. So I'm going to multiply x with everything in the second bracket and then negative 3 with everything in the second bracket. So multiplying these together gives me x cubed plus 4x squared minus x minus 3x squared minus 12x plus 3. Now when we tidy it all up, we'll tidy all the cube terms together first. It's just one of those. X cubed. Then you've got the squared terms. So 4x squared take away 3x squared is going to be a single x squared. We've got negative x, negative 12x, going to be negative 13x. And then plus 3 on the end there.